Go.
Middle school mathematics. For too many children, it is their least favorite subject, the barrier between them and academic advancement. To counter this common image of math being hard and irrelevant, the AMPITUP project, a partnership between Georgia Tech and the Griffin-Spalding County School System, developed math instructional units that are hands-on and project-based, and that draw on themes pulled from the local world of manufacturing.
What's an assembly line?
I think when you have to, like, each person have a job and they're going, like, say, like, Ryan had a job, he had a job, and when everybody finished, they work together and put it all together.
Boom, that's exactly what an assembly line is. Everybody has their own specialized job. All right, we're gonna make the same kits that we made yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many nuts and bolts go in the bag? 2. What about the nuts and bolts? Halfway. What goes into the second snack bag?
In this 6th grade statistics unit, students take on the role of industrial engineers as they develop procedures and collect data to analyze assembly line efficiency and experience how mathematics can help them make informed decisions.
I'm LaSandra Thrash Harris. I teach 6th grade math here at Rehoboth Road Middle School. At the end of the unit, the students would know how to find mean, median, mode, range, how outliers affect that data set, and the best ways to describe a data set, whether or not the data is skewed or if it's symmetrical. I think the AMPITUP module is the best way to tackle this unit because it's hands-on, it's tactile, but the students are also engaged in the learning. Oh, they love it. You know, they come in and they say, "Oh, we're playing with AMPITUP today. We're doing AMPITUP today." And I was like, "Yes." I was like, "But first we have to analyze our data from the previous day." They are so excited about the next AMPITUP module. Like, they're like, "When we're gonna start?" So they love this module.
There are 6 AMPITUP math units that highlight manufacturing. In addition to exploring measures of center and spread in the packaging challenge, students make use of box and whisker plots as they decide whether to automate a candy-making assembly line. They explore geometric properties while designing a game piece and take on the role of quality control agents, applying statistical inference to random samples of hex nuts. Using a simulation to collect data, students make use of systems of equations and linear functions as they design and finance a clean power plant. These units are all available for free download.